So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to be talking about SHIB. So as some of you may know that whales or the big people are a big part of how the cryptocurrencies move, and they tend to control most of the prices. So in this video we're going to be taking a look at how the whales are currently controlling SHIB or Shiba Inu and how the price is being affected by them. So let's get started, and before we get started, please do make sure to hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos like this. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So we are currently over at our screen and we are on coinmarket.com. So we can see that if we scroll down a little bit, Shiba Inu or SHIB is currently the number 17 most traded cryptocurrency. So let's take a look at the price. So we can see the price is currently at 50.9572, and we are currently down about 0.12% from 1 day ago. So from 24 hours we're currently down by 0.12%. And if we look at our daily high, it is around 50.9751. We're just going to remove the zeros for a better understanding. So the price is currently 97.51 and our daily low was around 95.02. So we had around a $200 difference. And if we look at the 24-hour volume, we are currently at 114 million, which is down about 2.67% from yesterday, and we are currently at a $5 billion market cap. So if we look at the 1 week, we can obviously see that we're currently up by just a little bit, just 0.05%, and we went up and down. So we started off the week at around 95.75 and we are currently at 95.71. So if we look at our daily high or the weekly high, we can see our high was 10.47. So we did manage to get in the tens range this week, but then we came back down. So now what is the main point of this video? Let's take a look at some articles from cryptonews.net. So even if you look up Shiba Inu on Crypto News, we can see that there's a lot of articles about this cryptocurrency. But if we look at some particular articles, we can see that it says mysterious Shiba Inu whale drops $2.7 million on SHIB and surprising extra. Now $2.7 million may be not a lot because that doesn't do a lot in the cryptocurrency market. But then if we look at even other articles, we can see that whale alert, massive 9.6 trillion Shiba Inu tokens bought in the 48 hours. So these are big parts of the news, and we can see this is affecting a lot of the price in Shiba. So let's read a little bit of this. We can see that in a surprising turn of events within the crypto market, recent surge, an enigmatic investor has surfaced, making waves with an unexpected acquisitions of over 237.869 billion Shiba Inu tokens today, coinciding with the promising price performance of the popular cryptocurrency. Now this has affected the Shiba price by a lot, and also it has changed this price and also caused more movements in the cryptocurrency. After amassing Shiba Inu tokens with approximately $2.31 million, the investor acquired 101,884 FTX tokens, FTT, equivalent of around $320,000. Additionally, the mysterious wallet received 1,512 Ethereum with a market value of 383 million. We can see the largest of these addresses, coded 0xC79, received the majority, amounting to about 4.285 trillion SHIB, equating to a whopping $41.66 million. The origin of these tokens traces back to a recent transfer from Coinbase Prime Custody. As the crypto community buzzes with speculations, the true identity and motive behind these mysterious transactions remains elusive. The unprecedented scale of these acquisitions, coupled with the surprising variety of token receipts, add an air of intrigue to the ongoing narrative of the crypto market's evolution. So we can see there's a lot of whale activity going on in Shiba Inu right now. So that was it for this video, guys. In this video we talked about how there's a lot of whale activity going on in Shiba Inu right now. So we have seen whale activity of almost $42 million in SHIB in just the past 48 hours. Now that is a lot, and we are seeing that the whales are trying to manipulate the price of Shiba Inu. We have seen trillions of Shiba Inu coins getting transferred to mysterious wallets, which happen to be the big whales. So if you are new to this channel, please do make sure to check out my other long form videos that I have on this channel. And I also do daily crypto live streams on this channel, talking about any recent crypto news, any recent price changes, and anything informative that has happened recently in the crypto community. So please do make sure to check that out daily. And if you like this video, please click the thumbs up button, and also don't forget to drop a comment down below on what type of videos I should create, and also what type of content you guys want to see. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So that was it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.